Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to hide your following list on TikTok. But before that, please subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. You can also like this video if you enjoyed it and if it was helpful, and also comment down below your thoughts. You can also check our other great videos and like this one, how to view private Instagram account without you following them. This is a really cool one. So you can also go to our Instagram and follow us there. So that being said, let's show you how to do it. First, we have to go to our TikTok app, go to me, then click right here on those 3 points in the right corner of the page. Then you have to go to privacy and go right here to following list and set it to only me. And it's that simple. Let's go search for us, alina.ift. As you can see, our followers are not shown. If you'll click to the following list, you will not be able to see those persons. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, please go and subscribe if you aren't already, and you can also like this video and check our other videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.